Mãe, pode jogar onde pode?
É.
Cadê o peixe?
Não é esse fish?
Ah! Ele pulou. Não, mamãe. Né? Né.
Tom, I think it's looped around the end. Watch it. On your fishing pole, your line. Untangle your line at the end, Tom.
Não, mas desembarace a linha do peixe. Tá na ponta da vara ali, ó.
Fix the line, fishing line.
Conserte a linha. Up there.
See here, Tom? Look. You have to make it, you have to fix it. It can't be looped around like that, okay? That's why you was making all that noise there. Okay?
Look here, always fish.
It's kind of like the way he puts on his clothes and does everything else. See, I got this stuff figured out, guys.
Not going to be dead at tetinhas, Mary, etc.
Look at that boy, 3 years old, little fisher boy. And the 5-year-old over there. Tom, fix the line at the end, buddy, like I told you. Now, don't open that.
And here's the mess, baby.
Is it making it hard, Tom, to turn? Because I'll open it up and look. Okay.
Okay, let's go to the jump.
Não.
Lá tem rio também. Vamos pescar lá, que eu acho que lá tem mais peixe. Vamos.
Here, I'll fix it, Tom. Maybe it is something on the inside tangled up too, okay? Oh, Tom, look. Look. You like fishing, Tom? Tom? What do you think about fishing, buddy?
Good.
It's good. All right. We need to see another fish, yeah?